So, you're ready to dive into the world of OpenAI? Great choice. Here's how you can get started. First things first, head over to the OpenAI website and locate the Sign Up button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to fill in your email address, create a secure password, and enter your name. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account safe and sound. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from OpenAI and click on the link provided to confirm your account. This step is crucial to ensure that you have full access to all the amazing features that OpenAI has to offer. Signing up for OpenAI is your gateway to a world of cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or just curious about AI, OpenAI provides a platform for you to explore, learn, and create. So, don't wait any longer. Take the first step towards unlocking the potential of AI by signing up today. Remember, the future is here, and OpenAI is leading the way. Sign up now and join the AI revolution.
So, you're ready to dive into the world of ChatGPT. Step 2. Get familiar with ChatGPT. First things first, head over to the link provided and immerse yourself in the introduction and guidelines. It's crucial to understand the basics before delving deeper. Now, let's have some fun. Ask ChatGPT simple questions like, "What is your name?" or "What can you do?" and watch the magic unfold. ChatGPT is like a digital wizard, ready to engage with you and provide insightful responses. As you interact with ChatGPT, you'll discover its vast capabilities. From answering questions to generating creative ideas, ChatGPT is your go-to companion for all things AI-related. It's like having a knowledgeable friend at your fingertips, always ready to assist you. So, go ahead and start your ChatGPT journey. Explore, ask questions, and unlock the endless possibilities that this AI marvel has to offer. Get ready to be amazed by the power of ChatGPT and let your curiosity guide you through this exciting experience. Alright, so you're diving into Step 3, understanding the ChatGPT interface. Here's the deal. In the input field, that's where the magic happens. Type in your questions or prompts, and watch as ChatGPT works its AI wizardry to give you answers right here in the response area. It's like having a super smart buddy at your fingertips. Now, if you ever need to revisit a previous chat or just want to reminisce on the good times, hit the conversation icon to view the chat history. It's like flipping through a digital memory lane. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous and want to explore more options, click on those 3 dots. Who knows what hidden gems you might uncover? So, as you navigate through this interface, remember that the power is in your hands. Ask, learn, discover. ChatGPT is here to assist you every step of the way. So go ahead, type away, and let's unravel the mysteries of the digital universe together. The possibilities are endless, and the knowledge is at your fingertips. Let's make the most of it. I love diving into the world of questions and exploration. It's like embarking on a thrilling adventure where curiosity is the compass. Whether it's unraveling the mysteries of science, delving into the depths of history, navigating the ever-evolving landscape of technology, or immersing myself in the captivating realm of entertainment, there's always something fascinating to discover. When it comes to asking questions, the possibilities are endless. From pondering the intricacies of quantum physics to unraveling the enigmas of ancient civilizations, each question opens up a gateway to a world of knowledge waiting to be explored. And the beauty lies in the art of asking follow-up questions, delving deeper into the answers provided by platforms like ChatGPT. Imagine asking about the origins of the universe, and then seamlessly transitioning to the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. The journey from discussing the rise and fall of empires to exploring the impact of virtual reality on society is a testament to the vast expanse of human knowledge and creativity. So, let's not just scratch the surface but dare to plunge into the depths of inquiry. Let's challenge ourselves to ask the questions that spark our curiosity and ignite our passion for learning. Because in this endless quest for knowledge, every question asked is a step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and understanding the intricacies of our world. In this ever-changing landscape of information and innovation, Let's embrace the power of questions and embark on a journey of exploration that knows no bounds. Let's ask, let's explore, and let's discover the wonders that await us in the realms of science, history, technology, and entertainment. Ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI models? Step 5. Learn about OpenAI's other models. OpenAI offers a treasure trove of cutting-edge models like GPT-3 and Codex that are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. GPT-3, known for its mind-blowing language capabilities, can generate human-like text and assist in various tasks, from writing to coding. On the other hand, Codex, with its coding prowess, can help streamline software development and enhance productivity. These models aren't just futuristic concepts. They are real, powerful tools with endless potential applications across industries. So, whether you're a writer looking for inspiration or a developer seeking efficiency, exploring OpenAI's models is a must. Visit the link to uncover the limitless possibilities and witness the AI revolution in action. So, you've made it to step 6, joining the OpenAI community. Congratulations! This is where the magic truly happens. By becoming a part of the OpenAI community, you're stepping into a world of endless possibilities and innovation. Here, you'll find like-minded individuals who are passionate about artificial intelligence and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Joining the OpenAI community means gaining access to a wealth of knowledge, resources, and support. You'll have the opportunity to collaborate with some of the brightest minds in the field, share your ideas, and learn from others. Whether you're a seasoned AI expert or just starting out, there's a place for you here. One of the most exciting aspects of being part of the OpenAI community is the chance to contribute to cutting-edge research and projects. Imagine being able to work on groundbreaking technologies that have the potential to shape the future of AI. Your voice matters here, and your contributions can make a real difference. But it's not all work and no play. The OpenAI community is also a place to connect with others, build relationships, and have fun. From virtual meetups to hackathons, there are plenty of opportunities to network and engage with fellow AI enthusiasts. So, what are you waiting for? Joining the OpenAI community is your ticket to a world of innovation, collaboration, and excitement. Get ready to dive in, make connections, and be a part of something truly special. Welcome to the future of AI.